Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about algebra part 3, grade 6 mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss about rules from geometry. We know that perimeter of a polygon is the sum of the length of its sides. Polygon means a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments. So polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. A square has 4 sides and they are equal in length. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to sum of the length of the sides of the square, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side of the square. So here L is a length of one side. All 4 sides are equal. So we say 4L. Then the rule for the perimeter of a square is expressed as a relation between the perimeter and the length of the square. So perimeter for P is equal to 4 times L because 4 sided. P is equal to 4L. We can make a rule is P equal to 4L. Next, perimeter of a rectangle. Here you see the rectangle ABCD is a rectangle. DC equal to AB. So DCL and AB also L. AD equal to BC because opposite sides are equal. AD also B and BC also B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length of AB plus length of BC plus length of CD plus length of AD. Here 2 times length of CD plus 2 times length of BC. When you add, you will get the result because AB equal to CD, so 2L, and AD equal to BC, so 2B. So 2L plus 2B is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. Rules from arithmetic. Okay. Commutativity of addition of two numbers. When you add two numbers either way, you get the same answer. A plus B equal to B plus C. Here an example is given. 37 plus 73 is equal to 73 plus 37. Okay. Then we are going to see commutativity of multiplication of two numbers. A into B equal to B into A. Note that A and B can take any number value. There are variables. Okay, they are variables. A and B are variables, any number. So 4 into 3 equal to 3 into 4. 37 into 73 equal to 73 into 37. Likewise, distributivity of numbers. A into B plus C. So A is distributed with B and A is distributed with C. So A into B, A plus A into C. A times B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So here 7 into 38 is equal to 7 into 30 plus 8. 7 into 30 plus 78. Likewise, already we discussed earlier classes. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to L plus S, that is 3L. Because equilateral triangle, 3 sides are equal. One side is L means all 3 sides equal. So L plus L is 3L. The same way here regular hexagon. One side is L. Hexagon has 6 sides, 6 equal sides. So perimeter of a regular hexagon is equal to L plus L plus L plus L plus L plus L. So 6L we have to add. That is the perimeter of the regular hexagon. Now you see a cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical square. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edge of the cube. So here 12 edges are there. So answer for total length of the edge is equal to 12L. That's all. Then the diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and passes through center of the circle. AB is a diameter of the circle. C is the center. Express the diameter of the circle D in terms of its radius. So AB has 2 radius. The diameter of the circle is equal to 2R. Hope you understand how we are framing the rules. Now let us discuss about how to write the statement for the following expression. An expression will be given. For that you need to write the statement. Okay, let us see now. Expression here is y plus 5. This is the expression. Statement must be written like this: 5 added to y. So 5 added to y means the expression is y plus 5. Next expression, let us see now. T minus 7. T minus 7, the statement is 7 subtracted from T. Okay, the statement 7 subtracted from T means, or the expression is T minus 7. Okay, the same way, let us see the another one. X divided symbol 3. The statement is x divided by 3. The meaning of that expression is x divided by 3, or statement of that is x divided by 3. We can write for that x division symbol 3. Hope you understand how we are writing the statement for the given expression. Let us see the next one. Minus 5q. The statement for this expression is q multiplied by minus 5. It means that minus 5 into q, that is minus 5q. Okay, the into symbol is here hiding. Okay, q is multiplied by minus 5. Here you see 3x plus 2. The statement is first x multiplied by 3, then to add it to the product. What? To add it to the product. That is the meaning. Let's see now next. 2y minus 5. See the statement. First y multiplied by 2, then 5 subtracted from the product. That's why the expression is 2y minus 5. Okay. Hope you understood the concept. Hope you learned the concept. You share this video to your friends. For more videos, you can subscribe this channel. You can give your valuable comments too. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.